Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here. We are doing some breaking math and we are looking at adding division statements with different divisors written in the linear form. So that means like side to side like this. So as we showed in the other video, first thing we need to do is look at the action. Divide by 3, divide by 6. Clearly we're not doing the same thing. We need to make sure that these are the same thing. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to make a skip count family of these numbers and find the very first number that is common to both ones of these sets of numbers. So the lowest common divisor equals 6. So it's always important to say this. Your teacher will know that you know what you're talking about. That's an important thing. Okay, so that's the first part of our thoughts. The second thing is rephrasing what we had here. 4 divided by 3 must be something out of 6. I'm using 6 because that's 6. So it's going to be something over 6, out of 6. So 3, I doubled it to get 6. So 4, I'm going to have to double it to get 8. So I know that I'm going to replace that with 8 divided by 6. Try the other one. 10 divided by 6 is going to be, well, hang on, it's already out of 6, so there's nothing I have to do there. That's great. So with that being said, I'm going to just rename my first line to be 8 divided by 6, and then use the same second line, plus 10 divided by 6. And I'm going to add them together. I get 18 divided by 6. Perfect. And now I just have to finish the question. I can put this through the old division machine. 18 divided by 6 equals I don't know. But if I skip count by 6, I see that 18 is the third one. I know that 18 divided by 6 simply equals 3. So my answer is 3. So that means that the answer to this whole thing is actually just 3. Can you believe it? Just like that. Okay, let's try another one here. So here I have an action of divide by 5 and an action of divide by 2. So I'm going to make those skip count lists again. Now I saw an even number there for 5, so I'm going to just skip count by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I know that 10 is going to be the first one. So I know my lowest common divisor is 10. I'm going to state that. That's the first part of my my work there. And now I'm going to rephrase these questions. 13 divided by 5 has got to be something divided by 10. Okay, so here 5 to 10, I doubled that. So that means 13 is going to have to be doubled to 26. And then 7 divided by 2 has to be divided by 10. So I'm going to be timesing by 5. So I have to times this by 5, which gives me 35. Okay, so I'm going to use these new statements in place of what I have here. 13 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 2 is really the same as 26 divided by 10 plus 35 divided by 10. Now I can add these up together. That's going to be 1161 divided by 10. Perfect. And once I'm here, all I need to do is put this through the old division machine. 61 divided by 10 equals I don't know, but I do know that 60 divided by 10 is 6 because 6 times 10 is 60. I can add 1 divided by 10 equals 1 divided by 10. So my answer, 61 divided by 10 equals 6, and 1 divided by 10. All right, let's try another one here. 11 and 5. Oops. So first things first, we're going to skip count. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. I know this one matches with 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 55. There's people who are getting loud outside there. So I have my LCD, my lowest common denominator, equaling 55. And all I'm going to do now is rephrase these questions here. 16 divided by 11, it needs to be written out of 55. Okay, so to go from here to here, I times by 5. So that means to go from 16 to this number, I have to times by 5. So earlier in my mind, I was thinking 16 times 5 is 80. I know that's true. You can check it out. I do make mistakes. Come check it out. And then 8 divided by 5 needs to be something divided by 55. So from 5 to 55 is times 11. So 8 times 11 is 88, actually. So here are my new statements. So I'm going to take that down. 16 divided by 11 plus 8 divided by 5 is actually 80 divided by 55 plus 88 divided by 55. So what's that going to be? That's going to be 168 divided by 55 equals, well, we don't know what it equals yet because we're going to use this. So this is the part that we're good to go here. We're going to stick it in our division machine here. I'm going to skip count by 55s. 55, 110, If I add 55 more, 165. Check that out, 55 times 3. So I can break 168 down here to be 165 divided by 55, which is 3, plus 3 divided by 55, which is 3 divided by 55. So 168 divided by 55 equals 3, and 3 divided by 55. And that's the answer to that, which means that the answer to this question up here is 3, and 3 divided by 55. The answer to this thing is that, just like that. One more because we could never get enough, hey? This one we're going to have 3 things here, so we're going to have to make the action the same out of all 3. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, okay, 3, 6, 9, 6, 12, 18, nothing yet, hey? 24, 30. Okay, check this out. I know that if I skip count by 3, I'm going to hit 30. I know that if I skip count by 15, I'm going to hit 30. So that has to be the very first one. So I know my lowest common denominator equals 30. So I'm going to declare that in my work so my teacher knows, right? And now it's a matter of rephrasing all of these questions. 4 divided by 5 is something divided by 30. Well, 5 times 6 gives me 30, so 4 times 6, that'll become a 24. 10 divided by 3 equals something divided by 30. So 3 times 10, 10 times 10, 100. I don't have enough space, so I'll just do it down here. 9 divided by 6 needs to become something divided by 30. So from there to there, I'm timesing by 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. So here's my 3 new statements that I'm going to use. So I'll bring everything down here. 4 divided by 5 is now 24 divided by 30. Plus 10 divided by 3, which is now 100 divided by 30. Plus 9 divided by 6, which is now 45 divided by 30. It's the same value, just different numbers. I'm going to add this up here. So 145, 165, 169 divided by 30 is what my total package is before I start dealing with it. And now I'm going to just put it into the division machine. 169 divided by 30 equals, I don't know. But I do know that 150 divided by 30, I know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 150 divided by 30 is also 5. 5 times 30 is 150. I can add my 19 more. 19 divided by 30 equals 19 divided by 30. Put them together. 169 divided by 30 equals 5 and 19 divided by 30. And that means that the answer to this original question here is actually 5 and 19 divided by 30. Just like that. The answer to this original question, which might have been out of frame, is actually 5 and 19 divided by 30. Okay? Hope this helped, and check out the next vid.